Guys, so today I'm making candy apples. With the fall coming, I thought this was gonna be a cool DIY to do with you guys. I'm actually gonna be doing caramel candy apples. So I have my caramel. I'm also gonna be making white chocolate pops, apple pops. So I have my white chocolate, and I have sprinkles to go on top of the white chocolate pops when it's done. And of course I have my apples, and I have a tray right here, and I put wax paper on the tray, and I actually put a little tip of oil on it, so when I put the caramel apples, candy apples, on the wax paper, it doesn't stick. I thought this activity is really cool. If you're having a party or a kids party, this will be a cool station to have, because the kids could actually decorate it and have fun together. When it's all dry and done, I'm gonna actually show you guys how it will look in a nice bag, because it'll be something too if you're having something and you're looking for something to give out at the end of your party or occasion. You can actually give out caramel apples or candy apples. So I'm going to show you guys how you could actually bag it and decorate it to make it look nice at the end. This is my first time doing it, so I'm not really sure how it's going to come out. I never did it before, but if it doesn't come out perfect or it doesn't come out good, that's okay. I will be trying it again so you guys can see. I'll figure out my mistakes I made, and I'll try it again, and hopefully if it doesn't come out good and I try again, hopefully it'll come out good the second time. But let's keep our fingers crossed, and hopefully it comes out good. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna melt my caramel, and I'm gonna melt my chocolate in the microwave. I'm gonna melt my caramel for 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out halfway and stir it, and then put it in for the rest of the time. The same thing with the white chocolate, and then I'll come back to you guys and show you guys me dipping it and everything. Oh, I also forgot to tell you guys, I didn't bring it with me, but I'm gonna be using a popsicle stick as well to push inside the apple. So you guys are gonna see me demonstrating and doing everything. So I'll be right back with you.